ignorant, arrogant. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. Both are adjectives, therefore they describe a noun. Ignorant. Ignorant is an adjective and it refers to the lack of knowledge or awareness about something. For example, she was too ignorant to realize that she was making the wrong decision. Another example is, ignorance is bliss. This is a common phrase used in English. It means that if you don't know about a problem, then you won't spend time worrying about it. Ignorant can also be used as an insult to describe someone that is rude or has bad manners. Arrogant. Arrogant is an adjective and it refers to an exaggerated sense of self-importance. So a person who is arrogant is usually very confident and proud. They usually don't listen to others and only care about their own opinions because they perceive themselves to be superior to others. So they essentially think that they are better than everyone else. For example, he was arrogant and disrespectful. Her arrogant manner is off-putting.